everyone, my name is Saru and today I thought of sharing with you one of my favorite dishes to cook in my kitchen for my family. This dish is full of protein and completely plant-based, and it is considered one pot meal. It is so easy to cook and I'll show you how to do it. Along the side, I'm also making fresh garden salad, very simple way to serve with it.
So let's start the beans mixing process. In this bean soup, you can add any beans that are available in your kitchen. However, mung bean are the must, which I suggest. So I am taking half a cup of mung beans, which is double the amount of the other beans that I will be putting. Quarter cup of soybeans. If you are allergic to this bean, you can always replace with something that's suitable for you. Quarter cup of red beans. Quarter cup of dry peas. Quarter cup of chickpea. You can put any type of chickpea, whatever is available in your kitchen. And quarter cup of pinto beans. So it is now ready to soak overnight. So I have one batch already ready here, which I soaked last night. Let's toss it around and rinse it to its cleanest. So to make this dish a bit interesting, you can actually put some dough in it or some pasta, any pasta, or some dumplings. So today I decided to put some vegetarian dumplings in this dish.
For this dish, I'm putting 1 onion, 5 cloves of garlic,
and about ½ teaspoon of ginger. This is frozen ginger. You can use whatever ginger is available in the kitchen.
Started chopping.
Now let's start the cooking process.
For this dish, I'm using pressure cooker. Yes, it's my mom's recipe, so I have to follow the way she does. Also, because this takes about to cook beans, it takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour sometimes. So I don't have that much time to waste. It's a busy life.
So let's heat up the pressure cooker. Add the beans in and add some water. Put the lid on and cook it for about 10 minutes. Looks like the beans are ready now. I've added some extra virgin olive oil in the pan. The oil is hot now, so I'm putting the garlic in it. Now let's put the onions in it and stir it until it goes a bit softer or caramelized. Now it is looking wonderful. It is soft and a bit brownish as well. Now I'm adding a little bit of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. And I'm also adding a tiny bit of chili powder. Now I'm frying the spice until it goes a bit of brownish. Now let's add some water. And put the dumplings in. Now I'm going to put the lid on and let it boil for a little bit before we are ready to put the beans in. So the dumplings looks quite puffy now, so that means that it's actually ready to put the beans in. Now this is really looking good. You can make the soup either really soupy or medium soupy like what I'm doing here. It's really up to you. Now to let the spice mingle with every element here in the pot, I'm going to simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Looks like the dinner is ready to serve. It looks beautiful. This soup is excellent for wintry cold weather or whenever you are not feeling very well and you're really running down. Because this soup is full of iron and protein and helps you to gain that lost energy back into your system again. So for the salad, I'm taking 300 grams of salad mix, which is kale, beetroot, carrot and purple cabbage. And I am also adding 1 Lebanese cucumber and 1 additional carrot to make it a bit more crunchy and a bit juicier. To here. So for the dressings, I'm taking about 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half small lemon, salt, and finely ground black pepper, and about 3 tablespoons of ground sesame seed. Mix them all together and add to your salad. Mix it well until you're happy and add about 1 to 2 handfuls of nuts. I'm taking about 2 handfuls of pistachia and pumpkin seed. You can take any nuts or seeds that's suitable for you. Mix it all together and let it sit about 10 minutes for the best flavor.
That's it for guys today. I really hope you enjoyed the process today. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can come with more healthy recipes like this in the future. Take care for now. Bye-bye.